Hey guys, and welcome back. So my dad's bike is behind me, which you will see, and my brother is on his way with his new bike. He just passed his bike test a few days ago. The bikes are very dirty, they both need cleaned. My dad's bike will stay here for a little while anyway, so it's fine, I can do it another day. It is very wet and very windy today. I'm planning not to be outside for too long today. I just want to give it a quick wash. Thank God I got finished the bike when I did, because it's absolutely pouring down outside. You can probably hear it on my tin roof in my garage, but the bike is done and it looks so clean. And I know it's a brand new bike and it really can't look anything else other than clean. Said my dad and my brother were out yesterday on their bikes. It was just nice to give it a clean and to give it a bit of protection going into the winter, because my brother, like I said, he's only passed his test and he wouldn't really be into detail in the way we would be. Just really wanted to quickly help him out with his new bike and get some protection on it before he does take out on the road any more than he already has. So it does have a little bit of wax on it, it has some rinse aid on it, it has some hydrophobic stuff on it, so it should be better than it did, but it does look so good. We are a Honda household, as you probably will have noticed by the garage. I'm just a place for my brother to actually have finally got a bike, because he has wanted one for a while. You might remember as well, if you are a real OG of this channel, that me and my sister took my brother's Ford ST Focus out on the road one day, and he sold that car, and he's always been looking for something a bit more fun, shall we say, and he finally has got his bike that he has wanted, and it is so nice. I can appreciate a nice bike, but for me, I am a four wheels on the ground kind of gal. So it is time for me to go home. I am soaked, my hair is really wet. Alright guys, that just brings me to the end of today's video. I'm going to go home because I am soaking. Thank you guys for watching if you made it this far. Let me know if you like this sort of content, and I will make some more of it. But yes, as always guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.